so good, you guys. Okay. I feel like now I need to have a bite. I gotta bring you over to the table. Can you hold on? Look at all this syrup. Look at it all. Hey, this is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make some yummy protein French toast. So if you guys love French toast, but you think because, you know, well, I'm trying to lose weight and I'm trying to eat healthy, so maybe you're trying to avoid French toast, this is gonna be like the perfect recipe for you because it is full of protein, it's uber delicious, and it's great for when you're like trying to lose weight or maybe you're just trying to maintain your weight. And it's just like a really super easy breakfast that you can kind of just like whip up in no time. I pretty much just got back from my jog. You know, I've been jogging a little bit more now since like COVID hit and the gyms were closed. So I've had to kind of learn to basically work out at home. I don't know if you guys have seen like my Instagram stories. I've been doing a lot more at-home workouts. I've been jogging more. So my morning routine now is basically I go for my jog, come back, and I've been making this yummy protein French toast. So this is what I'm about to show you guys today because again, it's super easy and I just want to kind of share it with you guys today. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay and this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous and I make videos like this every single week. I make videos on weight loss, I do delicious recipes, I do fun reviews, I do lots of really fun things on this channel. So be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. As well as if you guys do like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And that way I know to make more videos like this in the future. If you guys are ready to make some uber delicious protein French toast, then let's do it! So this is basically everything that you guys are going to need for, I don't know what happened with the camera there. So of course you're gonna need a mixing bowl. We got our mixing bowl. You are gonna need some bread. Now I have been eating some like gluten-free bread. I mean, it's not like I'm super intolerant to like gluten or anything, but I have noticed that it's definitely making me feel a bit better. Like it just feels like, it's just better on my tummy overall is pretty much like what I've noticed. So this is just what I got at like my local grocery store. It is just like gluten-free. It's white sliced bread, pretty much. I don't know. This is what it looks like. I think it was like $6, $5 or $6 or something. It lasts a while and you pretty much just have to keep it in the freezer, but it tastes really good. And honestly, I fed it to my daughter and she doesn't even know the difference. We're gonna be using 2 slices of this gluten-free bread, but you can use whatever bread that you use on a regular basis. So 2 slices of bread. The basis for our French toast is gonna be egg whites. So this is just like some regular egg whites. The next thing you guys are gonna need is some protein powder. Now, of course, this is LadyBoss Lean because I just love using LadyBoss Lean. This is the vanilla cake flavor. Now, if you guys don't have LadyBoss Lean, just make sure that you get a protein powder that is vanilla cake flavor or just sort of like vanilla flavor that you actually enjoy. Because we are gonna be using this in our protein French toast. We need some cinnamon and we need some vanilla, and that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys the recipe. So you wanna take our bowl like so, and you need to take our egg whites, and what we need is, we need a half a cup of egg whites. So just wanna measure out a half a cup. We need a half a cup of egg whites. Put it into the bowl, like so. We need some protein powder, again, LadyBoss Lean. And what we are gonna use is we actually need 2 tablespoons of this protein powder into our mix. So like this. 1 scoop, or 1 tablespoon I mean. Not a scoop, don't use a scoop. So we need 2 tablespoons, so that was 1 tablespoon. We need 1 more tablespoon. So, we need our cinnamon. We are gonna use about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now you guys can like give or take depending on your taste, but we're just gonna be using about 1/4. So we got 1/4 in there. And then we need a little bit of vanilla. And again, you're gonna use about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm not gonna measure it, I'm just gonna kinda wing it here. So just a little bit, like so. I love the taste of vanilla, love it. It is definitely my favorite flavor. Between chocolate and vanilla, I'm definitely more of a vanilla fan. So you wanna take our whisk, we're gonna take this, and we're gonna whisk that bad boy up. Now, it is gonna look like there's like a few chunks and stuff in there, but honestly, it's fine. It all tastes fine. It's not gonna dissolve completely. It all tastes good, believe me. I've made this like a lot. Okay, so we got that. It smells so good. So then we have our bread. So again, this is just like my gluten-free bread. And I don't know, I just like to kind of cut it in half for some reason. I think it just makes it easier when you basically dunk it into the egg mixture. We're gonna take this and just kind of like dunk it in there and then just leave it in there. We have our egg mixture here. So you wanna take our pan. This is just like, what is this, Copper Chef? I've had this pan forever. This was like an as seen on TV pan and I love it. I've had it for a really long time. I bet you I've had it for like 2 or 3 years. So we're gonna take our pan. Now I have a propane stove, so you just basically wanna turn the stove on like medium. We wanna take our pan. Again, if you guys are not using this in the kitchen, you are missing out. This is coconut oil. Just give her a spray. We got some of our French toast. Gonna actually add a little bit more in there. Like this. Of course, what we wanna do is just add it to the pan. And then obviously you guys, you just keep flipping them until they're like brown on all sides. You just wanna make sure obviously like all the egg and everything is cooked. Check that out. Does that not look good or what? Oh, we're gonna grab a little bit of Walden's pancake syrup or maple syrup or whatever the heck you wanna call it. Now this is calorie free and I like to use it because it tastes like maple syrup and it's good. Look at the cap. It fell out of my fridge the other day. Look, look, does that happen to anybody else? Fell out of the fridge and the cap broke, but I still saved the syrup, so we're still good. Are you guys ready for this? Oh, geez. So good. So good, you guys. Okay. I feel like now I need to have a bite. I gotta bring you over to the table. Can you hold on? Look at all this syrup. Look at it all. Look at this, you guys. So good. If you guys could smell this, this smells amazing. Okay, so for the taste test, which I mean, I already know it tastes good. Just dip it in there. This is the perfect post-workout meal. It's so good. It's full of protein. It's got like your good carbs in there. I mean, it's not super high calorie. I'll actually put like the calories and everything in the description for you guys to kind of show you. It's got the perfect flavor of cinnamon in there and vanilla. And like, because the protein powder's in there, that's like a natural sweetener. It is so good. It's actually insanity. That's how good it is. It's insanity. So if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section down below. Let me know if you guys have any new ideas for like any new recipes or anything. I'm always coming up with new things. I would love your input on any sort of new recipes because I just love just trying new things in the kitchen. So I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will talk to you later. Love you. Bye.